Practice the verb to have to or must in French.
Devoir au présent.
I must.
Je dois.
You must.
Tu dois.
He must.
Il doit.
She must.
Elle doit.
We must.
Nous devons.
You must, plural.
Vous devez.
They must, masculine.
Ils doivent.
They must, feminine.
Elles doivent.
Can you repeat those again?
Je dois. Tu dois. Il doit. Elle doit. Nous devons. Vous devez. Ils doivent. Elles doivent.
The verb to have to, in past tense.
Devoir au passé composé.
I had to.
J'ai dû.
You had to, singular.
Tu as dû.
He had to.
Il a dû.
She had to.
Elle a dû.
We had to.
Nous avons dû.
You had to, plural.
Vous avez dû.
They had to, masculine.
Ils ont dû.
They had to, feminine.
Elles ont dû.
The verb to have to in future simple.
Devoir au futur simple.
I will have to.
Je devrais.
You will have to, singular.
Tu devras.
He will have to.
Il devra.
She will have to.
Elle devra.
We will have to.
Nous devrons.
You will have to, plural.
Vous devrez.
They will have to, masculine.
Ils devront.
They will have to, feminine.
Elles devront.
Can you repeat them?
Je devrais. Tu devras. Il devra. Elle devra. Nous devrons. Vous devrez. Ils devront. Elles devront.
Now is your turn. Please translate to French. I have to.
Je dois.
You will have to.
Tu devras.
He has to.
Il doit.
She had to.
Elle a dû.
We will have to.
Nous devrons.
You have to, plural.
Vous devez.
They had to, feminine.
Elles ont dû.
Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.